Currently we are in section 5 and we are about to check out the fourth video of this section. So in this video we will check out do while loop. So here let us clean up our code. Now the syntax to define the do while loop is very simple. First you have to declare your counter variable of such as int I equal to 0 and then use the syntax of do followed by curly bracket open and close, and within this let us write our code such as print the value of I and then increment the counter variable of I by 1 by using the unary operator I++. And now the question arises, where should we write our condition? Now the condition in case of do while loop, you have to write it in the end, such as here. While the condition, now the condition will be I is smaller than equal to 10. And then end the statement with the help of semicolon. Let us launch our application and let's see what happens, and there we go, we got 0 to 10. Now we don't want 0 in the output, so what we can do, let us make it 1 and then run the application again, and now we are good to go 1 to 10. Now again let us write a very simple program for the even numbers between 1 to 10. So for that again I will use if I is divisible by 2 and then enclose the print statement within the block curly brackets. And here I guess instead of 1 I have to use I. Perfect. Launch the application and there we go 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So this is how the do while loop works in Dart. Perfect. Now as usual, if you are a beginner then please continue watching this video, that is how the do while loop works. So for that here is the syntax. We first initialize our counter variable and then use the syntax of do and while, and within this we actually put our code here, increment or decrement our counter variable, and finally we check the condition. And on the left I have some example for you, such as the counter variable I is 0, then we use do print hello and then increment the value and then check the condition. Now since our value of I is 0, then it will start with 0 and continue till 2 because we have condition I is smaller than 3. And with the help of this code we will get 3 times hello in the output console. Now there are 3 times hello in the output console, so definitely on the left we will have at least 3 times loop. So what is the flow of controls? So for that I have first code execution and then increment the counter variable and finally check the condition. So when the loop 1 starts, we first straight away print out hello in the output console because the first thing that is being executed is the code itself, here print hello, and then we increment the counter here I++, which makes our I equal to 1. And now in the end of loop 1 we are checking the condition I is smaller than 3, which comes out to be true. Now once the condition becomes true, then again the loop 2 starts with the value of I equal to 1, like that. So first we print out hello and then increment the counter variable of I to 2, and in the end again check the condition, which comes out to be true. And once it is true, then again we continue with our third loop with this counter variable of 2. So here again print out hello, increment the counter variable to 3, and now in the end of loop 3 we are now having the value of I equal to 3. So our condition here becomes false. So once the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. Perfect, like this. And we are only left with 3 hello in the output console. So this is how the do while loop works in Dart. Perfect.